to another video. If you want to discover how to make money on YouTube without making videos, you're in the right place. And I'm going to be showing you a simple, weird niche that's going to potentially allow you to make money on YouTube without making videos. I'm going to show you example channels doing this, how you can start doing this too, and how you can potentially start making money doing this. So if that sounds good, stick around so I can show you this exact method. Now, if you couldn't already tell by the intro, the niche that we're going to be talking about today is a weird niche that I'm sure a lot of you watching this video will already know about, and it's the ASMR niche. Now, if you're not familiar, ASMR videos, to my understanding, are videos in which people do things like whispering, talking really quietly, and tapping on microphones. And as crazy as this sounds, this is actually a huge niche on YouTube, with videos getting millions upon millions of views. And I'm going to show you exact example channels doing this. And you might be wondering, why would anybody watch these types of videos? Well, apparently there's a phenomenon when you watch these ASMR videos in which they make you feel good. So this is a really weird niche, and I really wanted to show you this after I found a bunch of channels doing this and potentially making a lot of money as a result. And you're going to be hearing about this from an insider's perspective who actually runs 9 different YouTube channels. I run 8 different YouTube channels where I don't show my face, and I run this personal brand channel right here. So 9 channels in total. I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels. So you're going to be hearing about this from an insider's perspective, and I'm going to be revealing to you exactly how you can make the most amount of money doing this, and exactly how to do this the right way to make sure that you succeed with YouTube. So with that being said, let's jump on my computer right here so I can show you some actual example channels that are doing this. Alright, so before I show you the channels real quick, let me demonstrate to you just how big of a niche this ASMR niche is. And if you're already familiar with this, you probably already know that this is a huge niche. But if not, let me just show you right here by using a free tool called vidIQ. vidIQ allows you to do keyword research on different phrases and see how many times per month those phrases are searched. So if we jump on vidIQ right here and search ASMR, as you can see, ASMR is literally searched for 77 million times per month. That is absolutely insane. And as you can see, each of these things right here, 1 million searches a month for ASMR sleep, ASMR for sleep, 100,000 searches a month. Millions upon millions of people are searching for this niche every single month. Now let me show you some actual example channels that are doing this. Alright, so the first example channel we're taking a look at here is a channel called Cracker ASMR. They have over 100,000 subscribers, meaning they could have gotten a silver play button from YouTube, and they make videos in which they don't even show their face or get behind a camera. All they're doing is filming their hands doing these different ASMR videos. And if you stick around in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get other people to make the videos for you. So make sure you watch until the end so I can show you that. But looking at this channel right here, as you can see, they literally just do videos like ASMR styrofoam ear cleaning and acupuncture. They literally just bought these styrofoam ears and they rub them with certain things and it makes these sounds which apparently people find pleasurable. And as you can see, here's another one right here. No talking ASMR cleaning a keyboard with slime. And if we check out this video right here, as you can see, there's literally just an intro on the video, and all they do is they take slime and they just clean this keyboard. Like, you could buy slime super cheap, and you could do this yourself filming the videos, but like I said, I'm going to show you how you can get other people to make the videos for you as well. And this channel right here hasn't uploaded in an entire year, and if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, and Social Blade, by the way, is a website in which you can see the analytics for other people's YouTube channels, how many views per month they're getting, and all of that. And Social Blade says that this channel is still getting 70,000 views a month, and they haven't uploaded for an entire year, and they're still getting 70,000 views a month. And in a second, I'm going to show you channels getting a lot more views than this channel that are uploading a lot more as well. And as you can see, they literally just have this many videos, like not even that many videos on their channel, yet they're still getting almost 100,000 views a month. And at this point, you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but how much is it actually possible to make in this niche? And I'm going to be showing you exactly how much some of these channels could potentially be making, and I think your mind is going to be blown. So with that being said, let's jump on here and look at another channel in the ASMR niche called ASMR Gaming News. Over 147,000 subscribers, and as you can see, They literally just talk about different gaming news in the gaming community, but they do it by whispering, and they literally just whisper their videos. So you could think about all the different niches that you could potentially do this in. You could do this talking about cars, you could do this talking about gaming. Think of a big niche on YouTube that hasn't been implemented with ASMR and do that as a channel. It'd be really unique and it stands out, and people actually watch these videos. It's absolutely crazy. And if we take a look at the Social Blade stats here, 1 million views a month on this channel. Absolutely crazy. They're getting 1 million views a month, and they literally just talk about different Fortnite news and other games, and they just whisper it. So they're literally just doing the videos. Like, you could do a channel about how to make money on YouTube and just whisper your videos. And let me know down in the comments if I should start a Make Money Matt ASMR channel in which I teach people how to make money online and make money on YouTube, but I just whisper all of the videos. I mean, it might be a way to get some extra content and some extra views, but these channels actually get a lot of views. And here's another channel called Bright Gray ASMR. And as you can see, a lot of the videos on this channel, they don't even show their face, like this one. Literally just scratching the microphone. You could buy a cheap microphone like the Blue Yeti Nano for under $100 and make these types of videos yourself. But like I said, you can get other people as well, which I'll be showing you how to do in just a second. And this channel right here is getting 100,000 views a month just producing these simple videos. Here's another channel called Amuse ASMR. Most of their videos, as you can see, they don't even show their face. Here's another channel called Olive ASMR. Same types of videos, a lot of them not even showing their face, and they can potentially get a lot of views. 2 million views on this video right here. And here's another channel called ASMR Soap, and they literally just show different types of soap. And if we take a look at one of these videos right here, I'm actually really curious. They just take these soap and they shave it off and stuff, and I guess it makes a sound. And this channel is getting 3 million views a month. And you might be saying, Matt, that's great, 3 million views a month, but how much is the owner of this channel actually making from 3 million views a month? Well, as you can see, Social Blade also estimates how much money they could be making. And just so you understand, making money on YouTube consists of, first of all, getting into something called the YouTube Partner Program, which requires that you have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And you might be saying, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, that's going to take forever. But in fact, you can actually do it a lot faster than you probably think. And I actually recently uploaded a video about how you can get monetized potentially in 30 days. So definitely check out that video after you're done watching this one. But once you join the YouTube Partner Program and YouTube puts ads on your videos, then you make money every single time someone watches an ad before your YouTube videos. I'm sure you've watched tons of different YouTube videos in which ads played before the videos. Heck, on this video right now, you might have seen an ad before the video. And every single time you watch an ad, the creator of that channel is actually making money. So how much is this channel making right here called ASMR Soap, where they literally just like shave soap and they cut the soap up? And I guess a lot of people like this. And this also ties into the satisfying video niche as well, which you might be familiar with too, in which they just do videos that are kind of satisfying to watch, like cutting up different things. And that's definitely a niche that we should get into on this channel as well, and one that you can explore as well. But taking a look right here, this channel could be making between $800 and $13,000 a month. And this is just from ad revenue. You could potentially make a lot more from alternative sources. However, this channel making between $800 and $13,000 a month. You might be saying that's a big variation. How much are they actually making? And by my experience of running channels in niches similar to this, I can tell you that if this channel is monetized, they're probably making around $5,000 to $10,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. And the amazing thing about this is, like I said, you don't even have to show your face, but also you can actually scale to running multiple different channels. And that's what this channel is doing right here. As you can see, if we go to their featured channel section right here, they have ASMR Soap Carving, Satisfying Slime ASMR, ASMR Bomba Slime, ASMR Soap Soul. They have all these different ASMR channels, and I can tell you that the person who runs this channel probably runs all of these channels as well. Channels that could potentially be making them money every single month. And for literally just cutting up soap, that's absolutely insane. Now, if you thought that channel was crazy, wait for the next channel that I'm about to show you. That channel that we just looked at was getting 3 million views a month. Now, this channel, called Santageous, check this out. If we take a look at the Social Blade stats, getting 18 million views a month. Now, to put that in perspective, that means this channel could be making between $5,000 and $75,000 a month. So I would estimate they're probably making around $40,000 to $60,000 a month just from ad revenue. And wait till you see these videos. Videos in which people don't even show their face, and it's just satisfying sand videos. Like, you could literally just buy this type of kinetic sand off of Amazon, eBay, wherever, and make these types of videos super easily yourself, or better yet, get someone else to make the videos for you, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. But first, take a look at these videos right here. They're literally just shaving sand and like cutting sand up into a bunch of different pieces and mashing it together. And people find these videos satisfying, and they get a lot of views. And it also ties into the ASMR aspect right here, in which you can hear the sounds of cutting up all of this sand. And that's really what ASMR is. It ties more into the sound auditory aspect of these videos. And if you were to produce ASMR videos, you don't really even need videos at all either, and you don't need to show your face or anything like that. Here's another channel called Dr. T ASMR, and as you can see, this channel is also getting 2 million views a month. Here's another channel called ASMR Bakery, where they do these same types of ASMR videos, and this channel right here is getting 7.9 million views a month, making between $2,000 and $30,000 a month if they have ads on their channel. So I would estimate they're making anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 a month just from ad revenue with these super simple videos. Here's another channel called ASMR Meg UK, and they make these same types of videos, a lot of eating videos and stuff like that. And if we take a look here at their Social Blade stats, almost 1 million views a month. So now, like I promised you, I'm going to be showing you how you can get other people potentially to make these videos for you. But first, let's go over a couple pros and cons of the ASMR niche. So if you're thinking about doing a channel in the ASMR niche, I think there's a couple things that you should definitely know. And this is really to help you and make sure that you're successful if you want to do a channel in this niche, or really if you want to do a channel in a different niche as well. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the ASMR niche. First, let's start with the pros. Pro number 1 is that you don't even need to show your face. Pro number 2 is that these videos are easily outsourceable, meaning you can get other people to make the videos for you, which I'll be showing you how to do in just a second. And pro number 3 is that there's a huge demand for these types of videos. And pro number 4 is that there's so many different sub-niches that you could potentially go into, meaning that you can combine different niches that have been successful. Like, for example, you could do a video talking about the latest sports news in which you do ASMR. Talk about the latest political news in which you do it in ASMR. And the possibilities are really endless with this niche. So while there is a lot of pros with this niche, there are a few cons as well, and let's talk about those real quick. First of all, the first con that this niche and most of the sub-niches within the ASMR niche would be, in my experience, a low to mid CPM niche. Now you might be asking, what does that mean? Well, CPM stands for cost per milli, and it represents how much money that you can potentially make per 1,000 views on your channel. Now, some channels will make more money than others because there's more advertisers willing to advertise on those types of videos. So you might be wondering, well, what are some of the niches where I can make the absolute most amount of money per 1,000 views? Well, that would include niches like the financial niche, the tech niche, the luxury niche, and others as well that I've covered in previous videos on my channel. And con number 2 is that it would be hard to monetize this niche with alternative monetization sources. Now you might be asking what I mean by this. By alternative monetization sources, that basically means employing means outside of the YouTube Partner Program to earn money from your channel. And the great part about doing this is that you can potentially make a lot more through some of these alternative sources. Now you might be asking, Matt, what are the alternative sources? Well, first of all, check out the video on my channel in which I go over the 6 ways that you can make money on YouTube without ads, but a few of them are by doing affiliate marketing, by selling digital products, and by doing consulting or services. And by doing this, by promoting people's products which you didn't even make, by doing affiliate marketing, just putting links in the descriptions of videos, you can potentially make a lot of money. And potentially a lot more than from just ad revenue alone, in my experience. So there's not really many affiliate products that you could promote in the descriptions of your videos if you're running an ASMR channel. So you would be pretty much dependent on YouTube ad revenue alone. Now, one that you could think about is doing like premium ASMR, setting up like a Patreon or setting up like a DPD card link in which you sold premium ASMR audios, and that's just an idea. And another idea in which you could actually do this and get a higher CPM to cover that first con that we talked about would be by combining a high CPM niche with the ASMR niche. And this is something that I just thought of, but you could literally do something like in the financial news niche, or like talking about different luxury items or stuff like that, and do an ASMR channel around a high CPM niche. I don't know why I didn't think of that. You could potentially make a lot of money doing that and still get a high CPM, which is what we all want. And especially if you're depending on just ad revenue alone, a high CPM is always a nice thing to have. So now, like I promised, I'm going to show you how you can get other people to make the videos for you. And that consists of putting together what I like to call a video creation assembly line. Now, if you've ever watched this channel, you know that I've talked about video creation assembly lines 1,000 times, but basically it's a system where you get other people to make the videos for you. And this is actually how I run 9 different YouTube channels. 8 of the 9 channels I run are almost fully outsourced. All I have to do on those channels, come up with video ideas, upload the finished videos, and other people do all the different steps in between. Now, with ASMR channels, it's actually really simple because you don't need to outsource that many things. You really only need to outsource the actual ASMR content. You don't have to hire script writers necessarily, or any of the other steps that you normally would have to outsource. You could potentially get someone to make thumbnails and all that kind of stuff. However, you really just need someone to make the ASMR videos. So let me show you an example in which this might be possible. And that'd be by going to marketplaces like Fiverr.com, or Upwork.com is another great one as well. And I highly recommend posting a job post on there. Or you can simply go to Fiverr and you can search ASMR video. And as you can see, there's literally tons of people who will make ASMR videos for you, personalized ASMR videos. ASMR videos, you could tell them what to say if you're doing an ASMR channel in the financial news niche, for example, in order to get those high CPMs. You can tell them what to say in the video, or like a gist of what to say. And there's tons of different Fiverr gigs in which people will make these types of videos for you. And these videos, like I was showing you, can potentially get a lot of views and potentially make a lot more than what you would be paying other people to make the content for you. Now, here's another gig right here. This one is kind of combining the satisfying, relaxing ASMR niches together. And as you can see, they just do videos like, you know, shaving off the soap, just like that soap channel that I showed you, and stuff like that. And if we skip ahead through the video, candles and stuff like that. There's people on Fiverr that will make these types of videos for you, starting at just $5. Here's another gig that I found right here. I will make DIY life hack video content for YouTube or others. And as you can see, they make this type of content, and I'm sure you could ask them to make ASMR content as well. And Fiverr is a great place to look. And another tip that I would give when you're looking on Fiverr is to post a custom request on Fiverr. Typically, you can find people doing it for cheaper, since you'll get a bunch of people bidding on your request. Like, for example, you could post a custom request on Fiverr saying that you're looking for people to make ASMR videos in the financial niche, and you'll get a lot of personalized requests and stuff like that. And also make sure to post a job post on Upwork as well. And a lot of the top people that I've been working with for years have been from Upwork, so I highly suggest taking a look at that. So at this point, you might be asking, Matt, if I were to try to go out and do this, spend money on people to make the videos for me, or really just even make the videos myself, and I don't get any views, would that be a waste of time? Would that be a waste of money? And the answer is yes, if you don't get any views, and if your channel doesn't take off, and if you don't make enough money to not only break even, but to be profitable doing this. And there's tons of channels that do this, so it is definitely possible. And I'm growing channels all the time from scratch. I have tons of people in my private communities growing channels from scratch. And if you don't want to just be guessing what works and what doesn't, and if you would allow me to just straight up show you what works, I have a program called Tube Mastery and Monetization, which shows exactly how I run 9 different YouTube channels and make 6 figures a year from them. Now, am I guaranteeing you're going to make 6 figures a year if you join this program? No. However, you're going to be getting the same exact tactics that I use and that all of my different successful students have used to make money on YouTube. So if you're interested in Tube Mastery, Monetization, and to join a community of people who are actually doing this, and to get access to me as well in that community every single day answering questions, check out the link down in the description to Tube Mastery and Monetization. We also have a completely free training that you can attend down at the link in the description. Subscribe to the Make Money Matt channel so that I can help you with YouTube regularly, and check out all of my different content about making money on YouTube and about growing on YouTube as well. My goal is always to help you as much as I possibly can, and leave a comment down in the description if you're going to do this method. But be careful, don't give out your exact niche. Like, you might be doing a channel in the ASMR niche, but don't say the exact sub niche that you're going to be getting into, because people will copy your channel. So that's just an extra bonus tip right there, and I hope you got a ton of value from this video. Now check out this video if you want to discover exactly how you can potentially get monetized on YouTube in under 30 days. If you want to get monetized fast, start making money fast, check out this video right here. You'll get a ton of value from it. Subscribe to the Make Money Matt channel so that I can help you with YouTube regularly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.